I'm thinking I'm going to do a little tractor work. I got to get some hay over to the other side. So, it's supposed to freeze and rain again today. What are you doing there, Edward? How you been, buddy? Keeping busy, I see, as always. Always doing something, aren't we? Well, you, mostly. So you ever take a rest, Eddie, or what? Once in a while when you're sleeping? I gotta see if I can get this old girl going. I got the battery charger plugged in because it was cold. Isn't that weird weather? Cold, then hot, then snowing, then raining. It's supposed to freeze and rain tonight. Crazy. All right. Kill switch. Neutral. Throttle. The tractor's sick today. Oh, it'll start. I have faith in it. We'll try this again. Uh-oh, my bucket isn't working. My hydraulics aren't working. We may have a problem. I think this might be a little low on fluid. I brought some in, but I got to, let me check this dipstick. She's a little low on fluid. My bucket's not working, Eddie. But I did bring some fluid in because I knew she might be getting low because I had a problem with it. And if it gets cold, it doesn't want to work, right? Yep. Do you think you could probably get me a wrench? I got to pull this off. I think it's 3/4. This one's got to come off. It's a square nut right here, a feeler. I know your eyesight's a little off. Here, come here, buddy. Right here. But I think it's a 3/4 inch wrench. If you could grab me one of those. See old Eddie, his sight's gone a little, but he knows where absolutely everything is in this barn. If you can find an adjustable in there to grab, even that might even be better. I might have a little one in the tractor. But here, you can look for some of them tools. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I think we're gonna need a funnel. I know there's a funnel around here somewhere. There's one. Funnel. My bucket of stuff. See what happens if your tractor's low on fluid. For this tractor, the hydraulic fluid is the same fluid that actually goes through the engine. So I use this universal stuff. It's transmission, differential, and hydraulic fluid. All in one. It goes in this cap right here. It fills in, goes in behind this body right here. Your hydraulics is always under pressure, so if you work on your hydraulic system on your tractor, if you're taking hoses off or anything, shut your tractor off. All right, Eddie, what do you got there? Let me try one of those. That one's a little too small. This one might work. That one works, buddy. You got her. Turn. There we go, turn. And there we go. This would be the fill cap. Hydraulic oil. So we're gonna put it in this hole right here. This is gonna work, isn't it? We'll find out. If you wouldn't mind holding the bottom of it right there, just keep her steady for me. Right down by where it goes inside. You got her. And I'll pour. This is a team effort. Gotta love our friends, eh? I'm gonna estimate probably, I don't know, 10 liters or something, 2-3 gallons of it. So I just want to get enough for now. Like I'm gonna have to come in and change the filter and everything later. I got to get a filter. I'm just trying to get this bucket working. Yeah. And I'm thinking that because it's so low in fluid, we get our fluid in there and we can get our pressure back. So I'll give you that wrench. and
The other one back.
put the cap on this bucket so I don't knock it over. I'm gonna put it over on this side. No, we're done with the funnel. We're done with, that was on the shelf by the water pump. Well, we might have to let this warm up a little bit because it's new fluid, but let's see if we can get this working because we need to move hay today. We'll try her again. Oops, you're gonna ride on the back? You don't wanna be falling. You're about safety first, aren't you? You wanna be safe. Hang on. Do you want me to tie you up there?
No,
Wrap a belt around you or something? I'm gonna let this warm up just a little bit more before I try this bucket. I'm hoping it works.
try it now if you want.
Try her now? All right. Let's see if we can't get this bucket moving. Oh, you fixed her, Eddie. Right on. It didn't move at all when I got here. Success. That's my phone.
Oh,
It's taking a picture of you
what for? You got enough of them.
because I want to make you famous. All right, well, are you ready to go for a ride?
You bet.
All right, well, hang on. Put her in reverse. Lift out the bucket. The bucket works. What's that?
I hope I got that door far enough.
Oh, yeah. And away we go. Got lots of room in that door. Oh, it's raining. I just got rained on from the east trough. Maybe I should put it in high. We'll go a little faster. Don't fall off, Eddie. All right, we're going forward. Hang on. All right. Don't fall off. Sounds like I gotta tighten that chain up a little bit more. The bucket works. Thank you very much for helping me fix that, Eddie. It always helps when you got a buddy helping you. I'll go down a little. Let me give her a whirl. Put her in first. Low. There we go. Boy, I love this tractor. Look at how high that. It picks it up no problem. It's a homemade one. I better lower that a bit. It's just a steel bar with a point on it. I'm glad we fixed that hydraulic problem because I knew I had to come here and put a bale in. Would have been pretty crappy if the tractor didn't work and I had to put time into it. Here, let me put this in high, go a little faster. Here we go. Are you my spotter?
Hey,
Are you my spotter? You gonna spot and make sure I don't hit nothing? I think we got her. Still a bit cold out. I'm gonna put that down a little bit more so we're safe. We'll put her in third. Doesn't look like I have that bale very good, but it looks like that bale's kind of holding on for dear life. Let me see if I can't spear it a little better. There we go. All-wheel drive. That helps in the winter around here, eh? Here, can I get you to hold that and just coin it at the track at the front, just like that? You got her? We got her, Eddie. Thank you. Good job, buddy. All right, hang on. Where are you going? Are you staying here? All right. Thanks for your help, buddy. Don't slip. Take your time. He's a good lad, that Eddie. Very helpful. It's always good to do something with somebody else, right? I guess we're done with this for now. So there's always something going on around a farm. You never know. You could want to be doing something and something else gets in the way. So you have to do what you got to do to get it done. And that's what farm life is all about. Getting stuff done. From problem to solution in about half an hour, 45 minutes. Don't forget to hit that like button. Join us next time when we have another issue we have to solve immediately.